Hello, hello, hello. All right, I think we're finally live again. Ntar need to check something. It is 7:30 a.m. 7:30 a.m. terlalu pagi. Live-nya pagi-pagi, crazy. At this point, I think I'm crazy. Can I hear? At this point, I think I'm crazy. Can I hear? Okay. Ada ternyata kedengeran. Okay. So, hello everybody. Good morning. It is a wonderful day for all of you guys to have English class with me. We're learning beginner English, okay? Inggris beginner vocab. Ini buku Cambridge ya. This is a Cambridge book and we're going to ya aku tahu sih ini hari ini sekarang jam 7:30 pagi, tapi too bad gitu. Okay, today we are going to be talking about, kita akan membahas health and illness. Health and illness. Health itu kesehatan, illness is penyakit-penyakit, right? So, kita baca dulu vocabnya together, nanti kita kerjain exercise bareng ya. Jadi, ini itu kita bahas vocabulary-nya dulu, habis itu kita kerjain soalnya bareng, oke? Jadi ini kayak kelas together, tapi hari ini kelasnya yang beginner ya. Kalau intermediate sama advance biasanya malam-malam gitu. Aku iseng aja sekarang. So, how are you today? How are you today? Hari ini gimana? Gitu kan? Hari ini gimana? How are you today? I'm very well, thanks. I'm very well, thanks. I'm doing well, I'm very well. It means aku baik-baik aja. Kondisi aku baik-baik aja hari ini. Alright? Now, yang kedua, I'm fine, thanks gitu. Apa yang kepencet? Okay. I'm very well, thanks yang ini itu lebih formal. Kalau I'm fine, thanks itu lebih sedikit lebih casual, right? Casual. Okay. Right. Ada private class, ada dong. Oke, lanjut. Yang ketiga, I don't feel very well. I don't feel very well. Gitu cara ngomongnya. I don't feel very well. Berarti aku lagi nggak enak nih. Lagi nggak enak badan. I don't feel very well. I must go home and rest. Aku harus pulang and rest. Dan istirahat. Gitu kan. I must go home and rest. Aku harus pulang dan istirahat. I'll probably be okay tomorrow. Kemungkinan besok aku udah okay. I'll probably be okay tomorrow. Kemungkinan besok aku udah okay. Kayak gitu ya. Alright. So ini kosakatanya jangan lupa untuk diingat-ingat, apalagi yang bold ya. I'm very well, thanks. I'm fine, thanks. Aku nggak apa-apa, makasih gitu. I don't feel very well. Aku lagi nggak enak badan gitu ya. Atau aku nggak rasanya nggak enak kayak gitu. I must go home and rest. Aku harus pulang, go home and rest, istirahat. Okay? I'll probably be okay tomorrow. I'll itu I will. I'll probably kemungkinan be okay tomorrow. Besok kemungkinan aku bakal okay. Kayak gitu ya. Alright. Lanjut. I feel ill. I feel ill. Aku merasa sakit. Gak enak badan. I feel ill. Gitu ya. I feel ill. Aku merasa sakit. Can you get a doctor, please? Can you get a doctor, please? Bisa nggak kamu panggilin dokter, gitu. Kamu panggilin dokter dong, gitu ya. Kamu panggilin dokter dong. Can you get a doctor, please? Like that. Perhaps it's a serious problem. Perhaps it's a... Nggak kelihatan. Maaf, nggak kelihatan. Nah, ini nih. Geser dikit. Oke, ya nih. Can you get a doctor, please? Perhaps it's a serious problem. Nah, itu. Perhaps kemungkinan Ya, atau mungkin, perhaps itu mungkin, it's a serious problem. Dia masalah yang serius. Can you get a doctor, please? Perhaps it's a serious problem. Oh, itu kayak aku tuh kemarin. Well, I hope you guys are feeling fine today. Hari ini kalian gak apa-apa ya? Oke. Lanjut. That fish was bad. Oh, tiba-tiba ada ikan. Gitu kan? Fish itu ikan kan? That fish was bad. Right? Ikan itu was bad itu artinya, misalnya bad itu kan artinya nggak bagus ya. Tapi bisa juga artinya kayak basi gitu. Tapi basi biasanya gone bad. That fish has gone bad. Tapi ini kan kita beginner kosakatanya ya. Jadi it's okay if we say like this. That fish was bad. Ikannya udah. Oh, ada yang nanya. Ntar lu. Oke. That fish was bad berarti ikannya itu nggak enak atau not good gitu ya. Kenapa nggak pakai can you call a doctor please? Kenapa pakai get? Call bisa, get bisa, sama aja. Dua-duanya boleh ya, yang ini nih tadi. Can you get a doctor please? Get itu kayak kamu bisa, apa namanya, ambil dokter nggak? Kayak gitu kan. Jadi kayak sama aja, mau pakai get, mau pakai call, is the same thing. Tapi kalau pakai call itu spesifiknya nelpon, gitu. Tapi sama aja intinya, means the same thing. Oke. Ada yang balas komen orang lain. Oke, lanjut. Nih, that fish was bad. I think, ini kelihatan nggak sih? Atau terlalu kecil? Kelihatan nggak atau terlalu kecil? Is it too small? Tapi if I zoom in, you cannot really see anything. That's the problem ya. All good. Okay, good. Thank God. Okay. I think I'm going to be sick. I think I'm going to be sick. Kayaknya aku bakal sakit deh. Atau going to be sick itu juga bisa, apa namanya, mau muntah. Gitu ya. I want to vomit. I want to vomit itu specifically aku mau muntah. Gitu kan. Ya. I want to vomit. Aku mau muntah. Tapi kalau ada yang ngomong, oh, I think I'm going to be sick. Atau I'm going to be sick. Gitu ya. Itu bisa juga, apa namanya, aku mau muntah gitu. Bukan aku mau sakit, tapi aku mau muntah. Lebih ke situ arahnya, oke? Oke. Apa nih? Nah, itu dia. Jadi ngerti ketika satu kata maksudnya sama. Kelihatan, all good. Oke. Gitu ya. Jadi kosakata yang penting di highlight itu yang bold ini. Very well, fine, gitu kan? I don't feel very well. I feel ill. And then I'm gonna be sick. Miss Wina kalau ngomong cepet, I'm gonna be. Bukan I'm going to be, tapi nggak apa-apa. Oke, lanjut ya. Everyday problems. Masalah sehari-hari. Okay? Right. So, have you got an aspirin? Wah, we don't really say aspirin in Indonesia ya. We say, do you have Panadol? Do you have Paramex? Gitu atau Indonesia. Ya nggak sih? Orang Indonesia biasanya gitu kan. Aspirin is not our number one medicine of choice ya. Indonesian people love, malah bukan Panadol. Do you have Antangin? Apa tuh? Or Pamol. What is Pamol? What is Pamol? Apa tuh Pamol? Oke. Kayak gini dapat dari mana kakak? Ini buku Cambridge sayangku, ini buku Cambridge. Ini buku Cambridge. Paracetamol, paramol tuh paracetamol, Sanmol. Wah, oh ya, Miss Wina jarang sih. Miss Wina itu Panadol always gitu ya. Paracetamol kan yang di dalamnya kan, apa namanya, obatnya yang inside, right? Okay. Nah ini, in English we say, have you got an aspirin? Because that's the most famous paracetamol, right? Nih, I've got a headache. I've got a headache. Perhatikan ache. Head ache. Bukan H. Kalau ada yang ngomong H, sebel Miss Wina. Gitu ya. Okay. Have you got an aspirin? I've got a headache. Headache. Okay. Bondrex. Panadol biru or merah, Miss? Miss Wina always Panadol merah, migraine always. Oke. Nah, ini bacanya headache. Headache. Oke? Lanjut. I've got a toothache. Toothache. They wrote the, what is it called? Ini namanya apa? Phonetic symbol, ya. Tapi kalau zaman sekarang pakai Google aja dipencet play, dia muncul. Yes. I've got a toothache. Gitu. I've got a toothache. Sakit gigi. Aku sakit gigi. Yang penting ini ya, yang penting yang harus diingat, ini got-nya. Gitu. Boleh pakai got, boleh juga pakai have. Kalau menurut aku, ya. So, I have a headache. I've got a headache. Gitu. Ini I've got a toothache or I have a toothache. Itu boleh gitu. Ya, both of them fine, right? I need to go to the dentist. I need to go to the dentist. Aku perlu pergi ke dokter gigi. Dentist. How often, aku punya pertanyaan buat kamu. How often do you go to the dentist? How often, seberapa sering do you go to the dentist? Berapa kali setahun? Coba dijawab. How often? Never. Never. Ini buku vocabulary dari Cambridge ya? Iya, ini buku Cambridge. Never. Why do you never go to the dentist? It's not good for your teeth. 0 time, pakai S times-nya ya. Twice a year. 2 times a year. Never in my life cry. That's not good. Never. Pas SD. Every 3 years. Oh, 1 month to go control your braces. Braces. Pakai S belakangnya. 6 months. Every 6 months. Kalau 6 bulan itu every 6 months jawabnya. Atau twice a year. Twice a year. Once in a while, itu maksudnya apa once in a while? Once in a while itu subjektif, kayak aku gak tahu. Okay. Never, of course. From where did you graduate, miss? Kenapa pakai S? Yang mana tadi? Aku lupa lagi, aku jawabnya yang mana? Twice a year. Okay, yeah. I heard, or I've read online, aku baca online, I've read online that you should go to the dentist twice a year, right? Or at least once a year to check your teeth. If you're good, if you're diligent, yeah. If you're diligent atau rajin, diligent in brushing your teeth, then you should go to the dentist like once a year. But if you're a little bit lazy, you could go 2 times a year because your teeth need more help, gitu ya. Coba aku punya pertanyaan. Do you floss? Do you floss, guys? Nih. My question, do you floss? Kelihatan nggak sih? Digedein. Do you floss? What is floss? Floss itu yang pakai apa namanya? Wah. What is floss in bahasa? Floss is yang apa? No, floss itu bukan scaling. Yang pakai benang atuh. You know that? Astaga. Floss apa bahasa Inggrisnya? Aku cari bahasa Indonesianya. Coba. Floss itu yang ini loh, guys. Ini. This is floss. Do you floss? Senar gigi. Emang namanya senar gigi ya? In Indonesian? Bukan yes I use. Kan pertanyaan Miss Wina. Do you floss? Depannya do. Berarti jawabannya harus yes, I do. Gitu ya. Kalau misalnya pertanyaannya have you? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Kalau pertanyaan Miss Wina, do you floss? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Ya. Yes, I do. I don't. Wah! People, if you don't floss, your teeth will fall out when you're old. Nanti ompong. Oh my gosh, you have to floss, okay, everybody? No, I don't. Tragic. How tragic. You have to floss. Okay, guys, you have to floss. Ah, okay. Sidetrack, tiba-tiba aku nanya. So you have to go to the dentist twice a year, right? Twice a year. Twice a year. And then you have to floss when you brush your teeth. I have one, but I don't use it. Bukan not, but I don't use it. I have one. Ya, I have one, aku punya gitu. But I don't use it. Wah, taruh. I have one, but I don't use it. Ya, bukan not, tapi don't. Do not. Okay? Alright. Did you do a floss often, miss? Pertanyaannya salah. Do you floss often, miss? Pertanyaannya kayak gini ya, struktur pertanyaannya. Do you floss often, miss? Kayak gitu ya pertanyaannya. I've never heard floss. Ya, floss itu yang ini guys. Ini floss, okay? Alright. Nah ini, pertanyaannya strukturnya. Do you floss often, miss? Okay. Are we must use the correct floss tail to flossing our teeth like from the dentist directly? Pertanyaannya, strukturnya bentar. Aku benerin dulu. What is happening here? Are we must? Must we? Gitu ya, bukan are we must, tapi must we use the correct? Aduh, use-nya kecampur dulu. Must we use the correct? Ini pertanyaan orang, strukturnya salah ya, bentar ya. Must we use the correct floss tail? Tail apaan? Buntut? Floss type kali ya? Itu gak sih? Tail atau tali itu bahasa itu struktur pertanyaannya. Bentar. Must we use the correct floss type to floss? Gini ya, kayak gini. Pertanyaannya harusnya kayak gini. Must we use the correct floss type? Gitu ya. And then it says, oh, tali. Okay. Must we use the correct floss type? Floss itu udah tali, nggak usah dipakein tali lagi gitu ya. Dia udah bentuknya udah tali kayak gini. Jadi buat apa dikasih tali lagi, oke? Okay? Yeah. So this is the correct question ya. Must we use the correct floss type? I guess. I don't know. I'm not a dentist ya. Aku bukan dentist. I'm not a dentist. So I don't know. But I think all floss is the same. The point is you have to floss, right? Gitu. Must we use the correct floss thread? Itu boleh for flossing our teeth, itu bagus. Strukturnya ada yang benar tuh nulisnya. Do you see a dentist regularly, miss? I go to the dentist once a year. Look at my teeth. Okay. Though it's just a part of marketing, so I never use it. Huh? How do you know it's a part of marketing? I heard that dental floss is actually really important for your teeth because it can clean places that your toothbrush cannot reach. Ngomong apa tuh, Miss Wina? Ngerti nggak? You get it? Yeah? It, apa namanya? Floss cleans parts of your teeth that your toothbrush cannot reach. Wah, taruh mana nih? Coba ini kita geser dulu. Taruh sini kelihatan ya? Oke. Floss nggak kelihatan. Wah, geser. Nah, floss cleans parts of your teeth that your toothbrush cannot reach. That's what I know. I don't think it's marketing. Yeah. Kinda useless using floss when you smoke and drink coffee. Yeah, don't smoke. Don't smoke, bro. Okay, got it. Alright, anyways, let's continue bahas dulu, lanjut. Udah terlalu drama kita hari ini. Okay, let's lanjut dulu kosakatanya. Miss Wina tuh kalau ngomong bisa lama gitu. Satu topik banyak gitu diskusinya. Okay. Anyways, ini ngapusnya gimana ya, punten? How do I delete? Erase? Nggak bisa dihapus. Oh, bisa deh. I have to get rid of it. Terlalu, maaf, loading. Okay, let's continue. Right. Nah ini. I'm going to bed with a hot drink. I've got a cold. Ah! Aku mau tidur, ya. Aku mau pergi tidur, bawa a hot drink. Ya, minuman yang panas, yes? Oh my gosh. Very good. Hot tea. Hot tea is delicious, right? Just click and press delete. Oh, benar juga ya. I should do that. I've got a cold. Nah ini nih. I've got a cold. What is cold in bahasa? What is cold in bahasa? Apa tuh? I've got a cold. Demam. Bukan demam. Demam itu fever. I have a fever. Kalau cold itu lebih kayak flu ringan, ya. Cold itu lebih flu ringan. Apa tuh enter wind? Masuk angin. Enter wind. Okay. Tapi kalau Mizuina ya, masuk angin tuh I define it as cold. Gitu ya. That's my opinion. Ya, masuk angin itu cold kalau menurut aku ya. Oke, menggigil, hipotermia. No, hypothermia. Hypothermia is too extreme ya, bukan hipotermia, oke? Apa tuh? Meriang. Meriang is I mean yeah, cold is good for meriang gitu ya. Kedinginan bukan ya, Miss. We call cold the same as fever here. I guess so. Fever itu demam. Gitu ya. Cold itu biasanya kayak you ingusan, you bersin-bersin, and you kedinginan. Jadi mungkin meriang, menggigil. I don't know. Okay, let's continue. Right. Problems people have for... Ini terlalu tinggi, maaf. Problems people have for many years. Okay, or all their lives. Okay, nggak kebaca. Okay, nah, nih. Problems people have for many years, untuk yang jangkanya panjang gitu ya, atau all their lives, seumur hidup. Okay, let's see. I get hay fever every summer from flowers and grass. I sneeze all day. Hay fever. What is hay fever? Ini Miss Wina nggak tahu. Punten. Wait a minute. Hay fever. What is hay fever? Huh? Hay fever is allergic rhinitis. Oh! Hay fever is runny nose, itchy eyes, congestion, sneezing, and sinus pressure. Jadi it's like a cold. Ya. Demam alergi. Ya, itu ada yang bener kayaknya. Ya, hay fever ya. Allergic rhinitis. Okay, so this is hay fever ya. Okay. Nah ini, every summer from flowers and grass. Mungkin gara-gara allergy to pollen, right? Allergy to pollen, ya. Ya, flu tapi pemicunya alergi. Bener, hay fever, right? Okay, so usually you cannot really cure this ya. If you have it, then you have it. Kalau kamu emang punya hay fever, ya kemungkinan selamanya, forever, you will have the hay fever, right? Pollen. Pollen itu apa namanya? Wow, what is pollen in bahasa? Buset, Miss Vina's bahasa Indonesia is not good. Pollen. You know ini loh yang serbuk bunga, emang serbuk sari, that's what it's called. Oh my gosh, see, this is why I'm a bad English teacher. I know the English, I don't know the... Oh, ini apa nih? I don't know the bahasa. Okay, so that's pollen ya. This is pollen yang bikin orang alergi gitu. Setiap musim spring. What is spring in bahasa? Ya, serbuk sari untuk... No, spring is not summer. Spring is musim semi, right? Musim semi. Minum air dulu guys. Oke. Bukan debu kecil kali, bukan dari bunga. Pollen itu dari bunga, bukan debu, oke? Let's continue. I sneeze all day. Yes. I sneeze all day. Aku bersin seharian, all day, seharian gitu. Dari pagi sampai malam bersin mulu. Oh. Does anyone have hay fever here? Does anyone have hay fever? Ada yang punya hay fever? I am not. Miss Wina is not allergic to pollen. I am not allergic to anything. Yes? Miss udah nggak upload YouTube lagi. Aku bakal upload lagi. Kemarin aku sakit sebulan. Oke. Sneeze dan snooze itu sama kah? No. Snooze itu tidur. Snooze itu tidur. Kalau sneeze itu bersin. Oke. I'm not. Okay, I don't. I doesn't. I don't. I don't have hay fever. Gitu ya. Kan aku nanya, do you have hay fever? I don't have hay fever. No, I have not. Bukan. No, I don't have it. Kebalik. No, I don't have it. Or no, I don't. Ya. Jangan I'm not juga, yang ngomong I'm not salah. I don't. Pertanyaan Miss Wina apa? Do you have hay fever? Jadi depannya do, berarti no, I don't have hay fever. Oke. Dibenerin. Oke, lanjut. Sneeze all day, right? My little brother has asthma. Asthma. Sometimes he can't breathe. My little brother has asthma. Sometimes he can't breathe. My little brother, adik yang laki-laki yang kecil gitu ya, has asthma. Oh my gosh. Sometimes he can't breathe. Kadang-kadang dia nggak bisa nafas. Breathe. Dia nggak bisa nafas. Okay. Difficult to breathe. No, I don't have great friend. Itu ngomong apa itu tiba-tiba? What's happening in the comment section? Okay. Difficult to breathe. Yeah. If you have asthma, it's difficult to breathe, yeah? Lanjut. Let's continue. Illness in hot or tropical countries. Indonesia is a tropical country. Yes, because we are on the equator. What is the equator? What is the equator? Guys. Ma'am, do you get this English? How do you get this English? Ini buku Cambridge untuk elementary. Khatulistiwa. Bukan gempa bumi, garis khatulistiwa. Yes, that's the equator. Okay? Kalau earthquake itu gempa bumi, earthquake. Equator itu garis khatulistiwa. Ya, and if we live on the equator, di garis khatulistiwa, then we have tropical climate, right? Iklim yang tropical, yes? Therefore, Indonesia is a tropical country. Okay, so illnesses, penyakit-penyakit in hot or tropical countries, right? Iklim tropis, exactly. Miss, bisa kecilin dikit? Nggak. Common mistake-nya nggak kelihatan. Where? Oh, tapi nanti belum nyampe situ guys. Karena Miss Wina harus sebelah sini dulu ya. Nanti common mistake-nya kita baca bareng-bareng. Mosquito, nyamuk, nging. I hate it so much. Aku benci banget sama nyamuk. Nyamuk is Miss Wina's enemy. Musuh ya. It's my enemy. I hate mosquitoes so much. Oke, lanjut. Kita baca yang ini dulu ya. In some countries, mosquitoes can give people malaria. That's true. In some countries, mosquitoes can give people malaria. Yes. Exactly. Minyak goreng tropical apa tuh? Okay. In some countries, mosquitoes can give people malaria. In Indonesia, we can get malaria, right? Because we are a tropical country, ya kan? Indonesia, there's a lot of malaria cases. And also blood fever. Yes, blood fever. Okay, can you explain what blood fever is? Can someone please explain what blood fever is in the comment section if you know? Yeah. It's everybody's enemies too, miss. Udah bener. Bener. It's everybody's enemy too, miss. Everybody-nya pakai S, enemy-nya nggak pakai S. Kebalik ya. Oke, apa nih? I think none of people love mosquito, right? Oh, grammar. Bukan none of people. I think nobody likes mosquitoes, right? Gini ya. Aduh. Ya, shift key aku rusak di keyboard. Ini pakai koma. Nah, gini ya. I think nobody likes mosquitoes, right? Gitu ya. Sebelum right-nya harus pakai koma. Kalau nggak ada komanya, grammarnya salah. Oke? I think nobody likes. Menurut aku atau aku pikir nggak ada yang suka nyamuk, kan? Gitu ya. Okay, what's happening here? Dengue fever. Oke, itu grammarnya tadi. Apa nih? I mean demam berdarah, ya. Okay, wait a minute. Papua is a center of malaria in Indonesia. Really? There's a lot of malaria cases in Papua? Last time I had a convo with a French guy. I can't understand his English at all. His accent is baguette. Yeah, because French people, their accent is very strong. Aksennya itu very, very strong, okay? So their English doesn't sound good, even if their English is good, gitu ya. Okay, I think nobody likes mosquitoes, right? Nah, itu benar. Do you have tips to be an expert at grammar rules? Repetition is key. Repetition, harus diulang terus. That's the only option. You have no other option, okay? Dengue baca dengue, really? Dengue? I'm gonna check. Wait. I cannot be spreading misinformation.
Dengue.
Oh my gosh! You're correct. The pronunciation is dengue. Dengue fever. Okay. Mohon maaf, Miss Vina salah tadi pronunciation-nya. Forgive me. Okay. Iya, bacanya dengue, Kak. Sorry guys, medical terminology not my expertise. Okay. Right.
Dengue.
Okay. Alright. Let's delete this first, karena nanti dokumen aku tercemar oleh tulisan. Okay. Now, let's continue. Okay. The drinking water was bad and many children had cholera. That's kind of scary, not gonna lie. Cholera is kind of scary. The drinking water was bad. Air minumnya itu was bad. Ini kan elementary level ya. Bahasanya beginner. Jadi kita pakai was bad aja. It's not good gitu ya. So, many children had cholera. Oh, cholera is kind of scary though, not gonna lie. Yeah. Ceria amat pagi ini senyumnya. Okay. Right. Cholera. I'm not sure what cholera symptoms are. Coba. I know what it is. I don't know how to explain it. It's a bacterial infection. Infeksi bakteri. It's a bacterial infection, cholera. Okay. Wow. The World Health, tiba-tiba ke World Health Organization. Jauh ya, punten. Okay, let's check. So the World Health Organization says that cholera is an acute diarrheal disease. Oh, jadi dia it makes you have diarrhea. Acute. Kalau acute itu berarti dia tuh very very targeted ya. It hurts a lot gitu. Spesifik, sangat spesifik gitu. That can kill within hours if left untreated. So cholera is an acute diarrheal disease that can kill within hours if left untreated. Bisa membunuh dalam waktu beberapa jam saja. Oh no, it's so scary. If left untreated, kalau nggak diobatin ya. If left untreated, kalau nggak diobatin. Cholera. Yeah, that's scary. Do we have cholera in Indonesia? Do we have cholera is such a serious sickness. Yeah, agreed. Right? It's kind of scary. Cholera itu semacam diare, exactly. I know, I'm sorry. Miss Wina tuh kalau ngajar tuh kemana-mana, karena aku kepo orangnya. Cholera is a disease of poverty affecting people. Oh, so a lot of people that get cholera, banyak orang yang get cholera itu usually are in poverty. Miskin. Poverty, kemiskinan. Okay? Affecting people with inadequate access to safe and basic sanitation. Mempengaruhi orang-orang yang tidak memiliki akses yang baik. Inadequate. Inadequate tuh kayak nggak baik, tidak mencukupi. Right? Tiba-tiba bahasanya advance. Maaf, aku kepo. Access to safe water, ke air yang safe, aman gitu ya. And basic sanitation. Oh, jadi kalau kita kurang bersih, you can get cholera. Basic sanitation, kebersihan atau yang basic gitu, yang biasa aja, kayak misalnya sabun dan lain-lain, maybe ya. Oke. Ah, itu ada kecoa. Where? Nggak ada kecoa. Halu kamu. Oke. I don't think Indonesia has high rates of cholera. Okay. It's kind of the same like muntaber in Indonesia. Oh. Ah, Diksinta apa? Advance ya, Bun. Oke, kita cabut dulu ya. Jadi we know what cholera is, okay guys? Now, tadi kita cari dulu guys. Oke. Balik lagi to beginner. Okay, so the drinking water was bad. Many children had cholera. Okay, tapi cholera is a tropical disease. Nah ini, serious illnesses. Oh, ini sih. This is really bad ya. The illnesses that can actually kill you or terminal. Terminal itu berarti dia tidak ada apa namanya? There is no cure, yeah. And what is it called? Terminal illness, yeah. Okay, lanjut. Every year, cancer kills many people who smoke. Lung cancer, right? Every year, cancer kills many people who smoke. Tiap tahunnya, cancer membunuh banyak orang yang ngerokok. Siapa yang ngerokok? Be careful, you might get lung cancer. Oh my gosh, so scary. Okay, Miss long time no see. Cancer, Gemini. Yeah. It's not horoscope, guys. We are not talking about horoscopes. Okay. I don't smoke. Good. Don't smoke, guys. Leo. Ini bukan horoscope, okay? Cancer. My father went to hospital when he had a heart attack. Hospital, rumah sakit, heart attack is serangan jantung. Yes? My father went to the hospital when he had a heart attack. Oke. Nah ini, common mistake. Ini beginner ya BTW levelnya. Kalau masih bingung, ini beginner. Jadi kalau katanya gampang, emang gampang. Oke. Common mistakes di sini. My father had a heart attack. Jadi dia itu pakainya had, bukan got. Ya. Kalau ada yang ngomong, I got a heart attack. He got a heart attack, itu salah. It has to be had. Okay? So, my father had a heart attack. That's correct. I don't smoke, but my BD 30 June, what is that? My BD 30 June? Like TikToker Erika when you smile. Haha, aku nggak tahu dia siapa. Okay. Miss Wina doesn't watch TikTok. Apa nih? Kalau serangan fajar, don't attack. What is serangan fajar? I don't know what serangan fajar is. I told I had a heart attack when I saw your smile. Gombal. What's this? Why use had? Karena dari sononya emang harus had. Jangan ditanya. Ada beberapa rule bahasa Inggris yang namanya kayak collocation. Gitu ya. Jadi, kosakata apa yang cocok dengan kosakata apa? Just accept it. Terima aja. Karena kalau dilogisin, kagak logis. Gitu ya. Kalau ditranslate ke bahasa Indonesia, dia tuh nggak logis gitu. Jadi kalau bukunya bilang yang benar itu had a heart attack, Had, jangan ditanya. Aku serius ya, karena nama teorinya collocation, dia juga nggak menjelaskan teorinya. Jadi teorinya cuman kayak gini, ya intinya pasangannya itu. Kalau selain itu salah, udah gitu. Ya, right. Udah dari sononya ya kak, iya bener. Ada beberapa hal dalam bahasa Inggris, pasangan apa sama apa, kosakata itu nggak bisa ditanya. Semakin advance, semakin sering kita belajar dengan menghafal, nggak ada rumusnya. Oke. Pakai had karena udah pasti past tense, bukan pakai have gitu. Oh, ya. Kalau have itu sekarang banget ya, kecuali serangan jantungnya sekarang banget, baru pakai have. I have a heart attack. Tapi kalau kita lagi serangan jantung, kita nggak bisa ngomong ya. Jadi kita pakai past tense. Berarti I had a heart attack. Ya, atau he had a heart attack. Ya. Oke. Kayaknya Miss nggak paham joke orang Indo. Bisa jadi. Oke. Mari kita lanjut. Sampai mana nih kita? Oh, expressions. Oke, few more. Abis ini exercise ya. Coba, berapa banyak yang sudah diserap pagi ini? Ini pada ngantor nggak? Ini kan hari kantor. Ini hari kantor. Pada nggak ngantor ya, guys. Love-nya di tap terus dong. Kalian nggak tap love, aku kelihatan. I can see. You don't click the love button. Sedih sekali. Nah, tap the like button. Oke, lanjut ya. Alright. Expressions. Let's read some expressions. Okay. Do you have a healthy diet? Coba dijawab in the chat. Do you have a healthy diet? Do you have a healthy diet? Is your diet healthy? Juga bisa ya. Aku tulis alternatif pertanyaan. Is your diet healthy? Okay. Do you have a healthy diet? Whoa. Yes, I do. Kalau yang ini jawabannya yes, I do atau no, I don't. No, I don't. Gitu ya. Karena depannya do. Ya, taruh Miss Wina sampai capek nih ngomongnya. Do you have a healthy diet? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Is your diet healthy? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Yang ini nggak boleh salah ya kalau ngomong. Okay. No, I don't atau yes, I do. Tergantung pertanyaannya. Coba aku baca. No, I don't. Aku bukan Cici. Oke, apa nih? Wait a minute. No, I don't. Yes, I do. No, I don't have a healthy diet. Okay. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Intermittent fasting. No, I don't. Yes, I have. Okay. Yes, I have itu nggak ada di situ ya. Pilihan yes, I have itu nggak ada jawabannya di situ. Depannya do. Berarti yes, I do. No, I don't. Dimasukkan ke YouTube nggak, Miss? Nggak tahu nih. Mungkin aku masukin YouTube. Karena kalau buku Cambridge itu mungkin nggak boleh dimasukin YouTube. Oke, kalau jawab not yet bisa nggak, Miss? Bisa, not yet. Do you have a healthy diet? Not yet. Maybe in the future I will, ya. Kemungkinan in the future I will, but right now I don't. Okay. Tell me, what is your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Try to tell me your favorite food and then give an English description, ya. So, I like to eat nasi goreng. And then tell me, what is nasi goreng in English? Nasi goreng is fried rice, gitu. Kalau nggak ada translationnya, coba dijabarin, ya. Okay, let's see. Martabak. Takoka is my fruit? Hah? My favorite food. Favorite kenapa pakai V depannya F? Nasi goreng ada di Cambridge Dictionary, I think. My favorite food is chicken noodle. I love sweet food. I like chocolate. My food is rawon. My favorite food is rawon. Hey, you have the same favorite food as Miss Weena. I love rawon. Rawon is my favorite. Oh, rawon is so delicious. Miss Weena's favorite food is rawon and soto, right? How would you describe rawon and soto to a foreigner? How if you have to talk to a bule? Nih, kamu ngomong sama bule, you're talking to a foreigner. How would you describe rawon, soto, martabak? How would you describe? Coba. Bule yang nggak ngerti bahasa Indonesia, kamu ngejelasin rawon tuh apa, soto apa, martabak. What would you say? Aku ditelepon mama. Taruh lagi sibuk. Okay. I love to eat everything that my mom cooks. Great. Chicken geprek. Chicken geprek is like fried chicken that you squish. Yeah? Fried chicken that you squish and then you put chili on top of it, right? Okay, wait a minute. I need to read this. This is all interesting. I love to eat. I love to eat all kinds of meat because I'm doing a carnivore diet. Ooh, carnivore diet. There is a lot of study about the carnivore diet, but I don't think there is any concrete evidence. Yeah, for people that have autoimmune disease, I think it's pretty good. Okay, my favorite Coto Makassar. I recently eat cireng with a lot of chicken filled inside. Cireng isi ayam, really? Cireng with a lot of chicken filled inside. Rawon is black soup with meat and kecamba. What is kecamba? You have to explain it properly. Rawon is like a soup of meat soup. Rawon is a meat soup, right? I'm not sure healthy diet is a lot of fruits and vegetables since most vegetables are contaminated. What do you mean by contaminated, Miss Nur? Apa nih? Chicken Smackdown. Okay, not break, Miss. Chicken Smackdown. Apa Chicken Smackdown? I'm a geprek. That's weird. Okay. Wait, martabak is sweet, and when I eat it, I feel like I'm going to diabetes, get diabetes. Bukan diabetes, bahasa Inggrisnya diabetes, diabetes. Okay. Apa nih? Kak, how are you so good in English? Because I speak English every day, I read English every day, I listen to English every day. That's the reason. Okay. Martabak is kind of like a very dense pancake. Oh, this is a good explanation. Martabak is like a very dense pancake glazed with butter and there's a variety of toppings. Toppings itu bukan inside. Topping itu di atasnya ya, jadi jangan inside. Filling itu di dalam. Ya. Toppings itu di atas. Okay, you cannot put the word inside setelah topping. That's weird. Okay. Miss, chatnya nggak cukup. Maksudnya chatnya nggak cukup? Oh. Okay, anyways, lanjut. Okay. Now, healthy diet. So a healthy diet is probably like 25% carbohydrates, 25% protein, and 50% vegetables. And you can have fruits as a snack, right? Okay, do you exercise? Guys, do you exercise? Yes, I like swimming, jogging, and cycling. They're really good for you. Okay. Yes, I like swimming, jogging, and cycling. They're really good for you. Swimming, renang, jogging. Jogging, cycling, sepedahan, right? Yes, tes dulu nanti. Okay. Yes, I like swimming, jogging, and cycling. Do you guys exercise? What exercise do you do? Ini perhatikan ya grammarnya, bentar dulu aku jelasin grammar. Kirain ada yang datang ke kantor. Oke, aku jelasin grammar dulu punten. Perhatikan, ing. Biasanya kalau kita ngelis sesuatu ya, aku suka A, B, C. Aku suka A, B, C gitu ya. Harus sama. I like swimming, jogging, and cycling gitu. Jadi ini semuanya pakai ing. Kalau misalnya kita nggak mau pakai ing gitu kan, you can say I like to swim, comma, jog, and cycle. Perhatikan semuanya sama bentuknya, nggak ada yang pakai ing, ya. Jadi ini penting dalam bahasa Inggris. It's really good for you to match your list. Jadi kalau kita ngelis sesuatu ABC, kita matching belakangnya. Sebaiknya begitu. Oke, paham. Understood. Yes. Oh, let me read. I want to try to speak English like you, but I'm lacking in grammar. What am I supposed to do? You just have to talk. And then someone should correct your grammar. Okay. Apalagi, Mitch? Yes, I do. I'm a table tennis coach in Auckland. Oh! Auckland is in Australia. Am I wrong? Wait, where is Auckland? Auckland is in Australia, right? Okay. Right, New Zealand. New Zealand! I was close. Deket Miss Wina. Wrong, but close. Okay, the only city I know in New Zealand is Wellington. Wellington, right? Because I have a friend from Wellington. Anyways. Do you exercise? Hopefully you guys exercise, yes? Right, I feel stressed. Aku merasa stres gitu ya. I feel stressed. Tar dulu. This one. Do you need to relax more? Bacanya gimana sih? Udah halu. Okay. Do you? Ya, itu benar nadanya. Do you? You need to... apa ini? Okay. You need to relax more and don't panic about work. Dan jangan panik tentang pekerjaan. Gitu ya, kamu perlu relax. You need to relax more. I feel stressed. Wah, that is a lot of young people nowadays, yeah. Everybody is stressed. Are you guys stressed? Apa nih? Oh, ada yang nulis, Wellington is the capital of New Zealand. Yes, that's true. I like to cook, eat, and read, kata Miss Nur. Ini, Yos Rose. My routine exercises are cleaning my house, like sweeping, mopping, washing dishes, and doing laundry. Yes. Biasa tuh, di rumah gitu ya. Okay. Yes, I do. I did last exercise on Sunday. I last exercised on Sunday. Kebalik. Wait a minute. I last exercised on Sunday. Salah lagi spelling gue. Okay, let me just correct it. Okay. I last exercised on Sunday. Wait a minute. Aku harus baca. Cepet banget komennya, tar dulu. The exercise is aerobics. Ooh, aerobics. Nice. I do running. I wish one day I can be a marathon runner. Marathon runner! Miss Wina hates running. I hate running so much. I am not good with running. Yes? Marathon maybe okay, tapi kalau sprinting, no. Okay. Miss Wina would rather be a cyclist. I prefer cycling. Okay. Apa yang harus dilakukan untuk improve pronunciation? Mimicking. Kamu copy orang. I feel lazy. Alias malas gerak. I feel lazy. So you don't exercise. You need to relax more and don't panic about work. Yes. My last exercise. Ya benar sih. You can do both if I'm not wrong, yeah. My last exercise is the one nggak pakai apa namanya ed gitu ya. This one belakangnya. It really depends on your combination of words. Okay, let's continue. Ntar lu hapus. This is gonna take me a long time. Ribet banget Miss Wina. Kalau pakai Zoom lebih enak, bisa clear all. Tapi ini TikTok tidak bisa pakai Zoom. Bisa deh. Zoomnya di screen share. Wah, genius. Okay, I should do that. Next time Zoom-nya aku screen share. Let's see what happens. Oke. Nah, kita exercise-nya mari kita kerjakan. Let's go everybody. Oke. Complete the dialogue. Ribet. Ingat dingin nih gue. Okay. Now, let's do this one. 6.1. Complete the dialogues. Oh, kaget. Oke. Tiba-tiba ada notif dari TikTok kayak, kamu masih live nggak? Masih dong. Oke. Now, here. Complete the dialogue. Okay? So, how are you today? Very well, thanks. Good. Are you okay? No. Apa nih kira-kira? No? No, I'm not. Very good itu ya. No, I'm not. Terus aku tulis. I-nya capital. No, I'm not. Gitu ya. Let's continue. Right. Kalau I-nya nggak gede salah. Oke? Itu grammar, itu bad punctuation, spelling, capitalization. Oke? I-nya harus gede. Would you like to use the bathroom? Yes, thank you. I'll get a, ini 3. 3 itu I blah blah blah. I'll get a doctor. Oh, okay, thank you. I apa berarti? Kalang ya? 3A. 3A apa nih? I'm sick. I'm sick boleh? Ada yang lebih spesifik nggak? Ini option pertama, I'm sick. I am sick. Selain I'm sick, ada nggak yang lain? Ini taruh sini option pertama. Option keduanya, I'm not feeling well. Bukan feeling not well. I'm not feeling well. Kebalik ya. Tadi ada yang kebalik ngechatnya. I'm not feeling well. My stomach hurts. Okay, that's good. Tapi depannya I. Ini, nggak bisa dong my stomach hurts gitu ya. Tapi bisa sih setelah I am sick gitu ya. I'm sick, my stomach hurts. I'm not feeling well, my stomach hurts juga bisa. Kalimat baru lagi. Yes, gitu. I'm not feeling well, my stomach hurts. Okay, very good. I'm on bad condition. Salah. I'm in bad condition right now. Bukan on, yang pakai on tadi salah. Ini aku taruh sini ya. Nanti sortir sendiri. Taruh mana ini? Taruh mana ini? Ini aku taruh sini ya, tapi ini jawabannya buat 3A, oke? Gak muat. Gak muat. Nah, di sini aja, oke? Taruh situ. I'm in bad condition right now. Pakai in, bukan on, oke? Right. Apalagi niche. I am kebentur kursi. Lucu. Mau ketawa tapi nggak lucu. Taruh atas aja. Iya benar. I just fell from the stairs. Okay. I can't handle. Enggak. I can't handle my stomach itu nggak bener ya. Aku nggak pernah seumur hidup dengar ekspresi kayak I can't handle my stomach. Itu nggak ada. Ya. Kalau can't handle itu biasanya dipakai untuk feeling, untuk perasaan ya. Jadi bukan untuk sakit yang beneran gitu. I feel like I'm going to die. Okay. I feel like I'm going to die. I'll get a doctor. That's okay. You can do that. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Terus ini. I feel like I'm going to die. Ini aku setiap hari kalau bangun. I feel like I'm going to die. Yes. Okay, I feel like I'm going to die. I'll get a doctor. Okay, thank you. Gitu. Okay, I think my knee got hurt. Okay, I'm dying. I think I'm running out of oxygen. I love it. Dramatis banget, Miss. I'm going to die. Emang. Morning, everyone. Good morning. Ini apa nih? Join my team. Okay, right. Dah kelamaan kita di situnya. Lucu banget. Banyak ya. For number 3, I'm sick. I'm not feeling well. My stomach hurts. I'm in bad condition right now. I feel like I'm going to die. Okay, nomor 4. Number 4. What does A say? A ngomong apa? Number 4. Blank. And then it says here, here's the dentist's phone number. Thanks. Call an ambulance, not a doctor if you're going to die. That's true. If you're going to die, call an ambulance, not a doctor. My tooth just fell off. Oh my gosh. Iya banget gak sih? My tooth just fell off. Sakit. Okay. Give me another one. My tooth just fell out. Bukan off gak sih? Out. My tooth fell out. Bukannya out ya? Fell off is weird. I would say fell out. Out of your mouth. Your tooth falls out of your mouth, right? So my tooth just fell out. Kalau aku pribadi mungkin out gitu ya. Okay. My tooth hurts so much. Okay, let's ada yang lebih spesifik dong. I have a toothache. Pada lupa semua nih, udah aku ajarin tadi pagi atau baru datang kelas nih. Pada telat ya. Harusnya kelas jam 7.30 pagi. Udah kayak SMA. Pagi banget Miss Wina streaming. I think I've got a toothache. Bener. I have a toothache boleh. I've got a toothache boleh. I'm going to do scaling for my teeth, okay? Here's the dentist phone number. Salah Miss, jadian lagi. I'm going to scaling for my teeth. I'm going to do scaling for my teeth. I have a toothache. Miss Wina semangat 45. Okay, what else can you say? I think I have a cavity. You guys know what a cavity is? Cavity? Nih, aku tulis di sini. I think I have cavity. Cavity? Nih, what is a cavity? Cavity is not karang gigi. It's not karang gigi, right? No. Gigi bolong, yeah. Could you give me a number? Could you give me a number, a dentist? I want to make a registration. Okay, that's weird. That's weird. Let me correct it first. Apa namanya? Could you give me... Apa namanya? The number... Oh, dong gini deh. Could you give me a dentist number... Or could you give me the number to the dentist juga boleh, kayak gitu ya. Gitu kan. Nah, and then you can say, apa lagi nih tadi? Bukan registration. I want to make an appointment. Kosakatanya kurang tepat, harus appointment. I want to make... I want to make an appointment. Yes? Okay. Wah, ini... Kalau Miss Wina tulis doang banyak banget, cuman kita tidak bisa. Terlalu. Ini nggak kelihatan toothache-nya, pindah sini. Di stream nggak kelihatan. Okay, there we go. Number 5. Your nose is red. Have you got? Number 5. Your nose is red. Have you got? I can't fully see the text. Itu nggak ada apa-apa setelah itu. Cuman tanda tanya doang. See? Your nose is red. Aduh. Ah! Sulit. Okay. Your nose is red. Have you got... What? A nose ache. Ah! Nggak ada! No! No. There's no such thing as a nose ache. Gitu ya. Have you got the flu? Jangan flu doang, harus pakai the flu. Okay. Punch. Medicine? Have you got sick? No. Tidak. Okay. You can say, have you got the flu? Boleh. A cold? Boleh. Perhatikan depannya ada apa ya? The flu, a cold. Jangan sampai salah itunya. Okay? A pilek gak tuh? Hospitality. What is hospitality? A fever? Boleh. Tapi if you have a fever, does your nose turn red? If you have a fever, does your nose turn red? I don't think so. I'm not sure. Maybe your cheeks turn red. I'm not sure about your nose though. Not okay. Countable, non-countable. Bedanya sama the. Have you got drunk last night? Bukan got. Did you get drunk last night? Did. Pakai did depannya, bukan have. Okay? Kenapa? Okay, wrong kiss. Be attacked. Catch a cold. Okay. Have you got a cold? Gitu ya. Okay. Let's continue. Yes, have a hot drink and go to bed early. Ah! Oke, yang ini kita kerjain bareng, guys. Kelihatan gak sih? Can you see? Susah ya? Kecilan gak nih? Nah, ini. Oke. Udah aku zoom out sejauh mungkin. Oke. 6.2. Match the illnesses in the table with a possible treatment. Match the illnesses in the table with a possible treatment. Okay. Let's go. A headache. Take an aspirin. If you have a headache, take an aspirin, right? If you have a headache, take Panadol. That's what I say. Yeah. If you have a headache, drink water. Drink water. Okay. Now for this one, toothache. If you have a toothache, go to the dentist. Yes. If you have a toothache, go to the dentist. Obviously. Perhatikan kalimatnya ya. If depannya ya, if blah 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 dentist. Not just the jawaban ya, tapi perhatikan kalimat Miss Wina, okay? So, if you have a toothache, go to the dentist. If you have a headache, take an aspirin. And then, if you have a heart attack, bukan have ya, if you get a heart attack, have deh, bener, have. If you have a heart attack, go to the hospital. Right? If you have a heart attack, go to the hospital. Okay. Duar. Okay. And then cold. If you have a cold or if you get a cold, you go to bed with a hot drink. Yes. Go to bed with a hot drink. Drink some tea, you know, hot tea or hot antangin with tea, hot honey water, right? Okay, if you have a headache, go shopping. If you have a headache, go shopping. Very good advice. Like-nya ditekan. Like-nya ditekan. Tombol like-nya ditekan. Come on, guys. Oh, masih pada di sini ya? Ini yang nonton live ini ngantor nggak? Are you at work? Are you at home? Are you still in school? Are you in university? What are you doing? Jam 8 pagi di sini. Kakaknya receh. Okay. 1 million like nggak dapet lah, Gils. Who am I? Who am I? Okay. We're looking for a new job at work. Bali time. Oh, at work. Learning English. Okay. Alright. Lanjut. Oh ya, aku live-nya itu nggak terjadwal, jadi nyalain notif. Kalau pengen nonton live aku, biasanya tiap hari bakal muncul aku. Mulai sekarang, kemarin aku sakit sebulan. Oh! Okay. Right. On the way to the office, I'm ironing clothes, learning to understand you, miss. Okay, I have no more activities, so I watch your stream. Okay, lanjut. Okay, kita kerjain next. Okay, let's do this one. 6.3. Look. What illnesses are connected with a mosquito bite? Malaria. Yes? Okay, what else? Demam berdarah. Mosquito bite, malaria, demam berdarah, dengue, right? Bentol, bukan bentol. 6.32 cholera. Yeah. What illnesses are tiba-tiba. Kok begitu? Wow, wait a minute. Itu garisnya miring. Okay. Okay. What illnesses are connected with bad drinking water? Cholera. Selain cholera? What do we call it, Miss Bentol? I have a mosquito bite. We call it mosquito bite, bukan bentol. In English, it's I have a mosquito bite. Gitu. Typhus, diarrhea, bukan diare, diarrhea. Yeah, diarrhea, typhus, yes. Okay, cholera, yes, exactly. Okay, pollution, traffic fumes, etc. Asthma, right? So, what illnesses are connected with pollution, traffic fumes, asthma? What other lung disease? Bengek, bukan bengek, asthma. What apalagi sih itu yang satu lagi. Penyakit paru-paru. Depannya P. Pneumonia. Pneumonia itu what's the cause of pneumonia? Tuberculosis? TBC? Tuberculosis? Pneumonia? Pneumonia is related to pollution? I need to Google this. Tar lo, kita balik lagi ke World Health Organization. Tiba-tiba ke WHO. Bentar ya, tar lu. Aku kepo. Pneumonia. Wah, jauh banget. Zoom out. Pneumonia is a form of acute respiratory infection that is most commonly caused by virus or bacteria. Bukan! Pneumonia is not caused by pollution, right? Pneumonia is caused by virus or bacteria. Berarti nggak masuk dong. Ini kan pollution or traffic fumes. What about bronchitis? Bronchitis, ISPA, asthma. ISPA dong. ISPA apaan? ISPA apa? ISPA, ISPA? Pneumonia, no. Pneumonia is not caused by pollution. It's a virus. What about tuberculosis? Kita cari. Tuberculosis. Tuberculosis. What is it caused by? Tuberculosis, a total of 1.5 million people died. What is the cause? Okay, the world leading cause of death, single infectious agent following 3, which replaced the coronavirus. Oh, tuberculosis worse than coronavirus. Okay. Huh? What is the cause of tuberculosis? Oh, here it is. Tuberculosis is an infectious disease caused by bacteria that most often affects the lungs. Bakteri spreads through the air when people cough or sneeze. Oh! But if you have tuberculosis and you sneeze on your girlfriend or boyfriend, they might get tuberculosis too, huh? Right? Bronchitis. There's also virus in pollution, I guess. But I think viruses cannot live that long. You know, I heard that viruses cannot really live that long. So they die pretty quickly unless it will directly like in your face, you know. Gitu lah. What am I saying? Anyways, what illnesses are connected with grass, flowers, sunshine? Apa tadi? Do you guys remember? What illnesses are caused or connected with grass, flowers, sunshine? Hay fever. Yes, hay fever. Aduh. Layar aku. Hay fever. Okay, good. Smoking, unhealthy diet, no exercise. Lung cancer. bukan allergic, tapi hay fever, allergy. Bukan allergic ya, allergy. Allergy fever, hay fever. Heart attack ya bener. Gue ngomongnya tadi lung cancer. Okay, good. Heart attack is the answer, yeah. What illnesses are connected with smoking, unhealthy diet, no exercise, heart attack? Yeah. Exactly. Allergies for answer number 4. Yeah, allergies, definitely. But allergy is not an illness, right? I don't think so. It's a health problem. I don't think it's an illness, but it's a health problem. Obesity. Is obesity an illness? Oh, let's Google that. Is obesity an illness? Coba. Is obesity an illness? It's a disease. Obesity, overweight is a condition of excessive fat deposits. Obesity is a chronic complex disease defined by excessive fat deposits that can impair health. So obesity is a disease. Is disease and illness the same thing? Wait a minute. We're kita belajar pagi ini, okay? Illness refers to an individual's subjective health experience, okay, while disease represents a mildly identified condition or disorder. Okay, so disease is where it is identified and like semua orang can experience it, I guess, you know, if you get it, right? And it's like a condition or disorder, tapi illness itu cuma untuk satu orang. Tada! That's the difference. Kita belajar hari ini, guys. It's good to learn, yes. This is what Miss Wina does. Miss Wina tuh suka Google kayak gini. That's why I know stuff. Okay. Matanya jangan melotot gitu, Miss. Aku takut. My eyes are emang suka melotot. Okay. OMG, anything that Miss just know by this time, have a cue to be searched in Google over gemoy. Okay, lanjut. Last one. Lama banget kita ngerjain gini doang. Okay. Miss Wina suka banyak ngomong soalnya. Answer these questions. Use a dictionary to help you. Do you have a healthy diet? Oh, ini udah aku tanya semuanya. Tadi udah aku tanya semuanya ya. Melotot bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Tergantung. Melotot marah atau enggak. In English, kalau melotot marah itu kayak glare. Tapi enggak melotot ya, cuman kayak gitu. Tapi kalau melotot itu, what is melotot in English? Stare, tapi stare itu ngelihat tapi lama. Melotot tuh nggak ada. Where you apa ini? I don't know what melotot is in English. I cannot help you. Okay. Right. What exercise do you do? Do you often feel stressed? Ini semuanya udah aku tanya. Satu ini deh yang belum aku tanya itu ini nih. Yang belum aku tanya itu number 4. Have you ever been in hospital? Pernah dirawat gak? Have you ever been in hospital? Itu doang yang belum pernah aku tanya kayaknya. Ya. Anyways, kayaknya orang udah masuk kantor ya. Siswa aku hilang, udah pada masuk kantor. Ya udah deh, kalau udah pada di kantor. Now I'm sad. Okay. I don't even know what melotot is in English. Never used that word before. Exactly. In English, you never use the word melotot. You just like use the word stare, glare. Ya kan? Stare itu kayak ngeliatin orang lama pokoknya matanya nggak gerak di situ aja gitu, stare. If you glare, gitu ngeliatin orang sambil marah gitu. Jadi you're glaring at them, right? No, just puskesmas. Okay, just puskesmas. No, I haven't, but I have to stay in hospital for days because my mom had to do a serious surgery. So you've never been in hospital, but your mom has been in hospital. Okay. Right. I'm born. Bukan I am born, I was born. I was born in a hospital. Bener sih, I was born in a hospital, ya. I mean, you could be born at home, right? Stare is the universal word for melotot, exactly, stare. But it's not the same translation as melotot, right? Glared angrily. Born is not a verb. Yeah. Born is not a verb, jadi nggak bisa digonta-ganti. Gitu ya. I was born in a hospital. I was born at home. Wah, adakah di sini yang I was born in a bus? I was born in a bus. Nah, itu baru legend kalau menurut Wiswina, legend. Oke. Okay. Jenguk tetangga. I was visiting a neighbor. I was visiting a neighbor. Jenguk tetangga. Oke. Okay. Sampai sini dulu pagi ini, yes. Sebenarnya masih banyak nih, kita ngomongin ada laba-laba coy. Kaget. Oke. So, kita lanjutin nanti jam makan siang aja deh. Untuk yang kantor kita lanjut jam makan siang guys, jam makan siang. Sampai jumpa jam makan siang. Atau mungkin jam makan siang di YouTube kali ya. Tapi YouTube gak boleh aku bahas buku Cambridge. Bukannya gak boleh ya? Nanti kena copyright lagi aku. Kalau aku bahas buku Cambridge di YouTube, kena copyright gak sih? Kemungkinan besar kena, jadi masalah. Aku makanya bingung. Just do it on TikTok. Ya udah di sini aja. Mendingan lurus gini atau miring? Ini kan lurus. Kalau horizontal, jam makan siang aja. No, you cannot have the soft copy of the book. You have to buy it. Harus beli. Bukunya harus beli. TikTok more than YouTube. Okay. Bye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. See you jam makan siang guys. Jam makan siang tuh jam 12 atau jam 1. Lihat nanti Miss Wina masuk jam berapa. I don't know.